Bengals fans, the jinx is over. Finally beat the Bengals in Cincinnati. In fact, we dominated them 37-17. We beat the Browns in Cleveland earlier this season. I guess that makes us the Kings of Ohio. Crown me, bitch. Well, whoop-de-damn-do. Start up the parade and save me a good spot. Nah. It only took y'all asses 54 years to win up in Cincinnati. I knew your ass was going to find something negative to say. Why can't you just give us our props? I'll give y'all some props when y'all beat somebody good. The last 3 weeks, y'all just beat up on some bum-ass team. Isn't the mark of a good team beating the teams you're supposed to beat? Teams inferior to you in talent and coaching? I can't with this guy. And y'all still haven't scored a first quarter touchdown. That's 9 games in a row counting last season. Yeah, but we more than make up for it in the other 3 quarters. How about my boy Jalen Hurts yesterday? Big 45-yard touchdown bomb to Devontae Smith and 3 rushing touchdowns. I hate that fucking tush-push. That ain't real football. And how about the way the defense played? Your boy Joe Cool looked good on that first drive. 11 of 12 for 60 yards and a touchdown. But after that, he wasn't much of a factor. We made the adjustments and we started bringing it. Pressure, pressure, pressure. That's only because T. Higgins came up lame before game time. Had he played, Joe Burrow would have kept giving y'all the business. I knew you was going to say that. But what about the injuries the Eagles had, especially on the offensive line? We started 2 backups, and we still kept Jalen Hurts clean and got Saquon Barkley over 100 yards rushing. Speaking of injuries, that's 3 games in a row Big Play Slay tapped out. Might we be witnessing the changing of the guard at corner? Isaiah Rodgers looked pretty damn good out there. There you go again, trying to stir up some shit. I guess you forgot he broke up a short touchdown pass in the end zone. Look, Big Play Slay is dealing with a slight knee injury. But as long as he can go on game day, he's still the starter. I'm just saying, young boy looked pretty good out there. I think he's ready to take over the spot. That was a hell of a play he made against Jamar Chase to tip that pass over to CJGJ. That was a huge interception. Yes, it was. But I also loved the strip, fumble, and recovery our 2 linebackers came up. We didn't get many sacks today, but those 2 turnovers basically ended the game. Well, all I got to say is enjoy your little funky 3-game winning streak while you can. Because Doug Peterson is coming to town next week. And he's looking for revenge the way y'all gave him the boot. Are you even aware the Jacksonville Jaguars are 2-6 this season? And their young quarterback is struggling? Man, you just say anything. You're such a goddamn hater. Damn Skippy.